Good afternoon again. Welcome back. Welcome back with the speed test of July. In today's newspaper of Friday, July the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left. Speed test without comments, without instructions. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with the speed test, and this one will be number 8846. 8846. And we have 2 given them the 3 and the 7. Alright, for Killer Sudoku I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudokus, it will be a 3 stars. Alright, let's get started. 1 minute already passed. 3, this should be 9, 7, should be 11. We have 20, 24, 44, 45 minus 4 is 1. This should be a 6. Here. 33, 39. 39 should be a 6 here. 4. Completed. Okay, completed. How about here? 11. Here. Do we have a row? This row. 12. 23, 30, 37, 37, that means this should be an 8, this should be a 4, 1 and a 4, 2 and a 3, need a 9 here, 9 and a 6, the other should be 7 and a 5, here can be 7, could be a 7, could be a 7 here. 6, 6 and a 4, 6 and a 7. Need a 5 and a 8. Need a 9 and a 1. And need a 2 and a 3 here. 6, need a 6 here. Could be here, could be there. 3 and a 1. Oh, 3 and a 1. This should be the 1. Yeah. We have a not 1 here. 1, need a 1 there. 1 and a 4. 14 should be 8 and a 6 or 9 and a 5. We have a 9 here. 9 and a 5. So 2 numbers left. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2, 7 and 2, 2 and a 3. Need a 3 here. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 9. Well. Well. 2 and a 4 or 5 and a 1. Need a 6 and an 8. 9 and a 4. Oh, we have a 9 here. This should be the 9. This should be the 4. This should be a 4. This should be the 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 5. No 3. 3 and an 8. We have a 3 here. This should be 2 and a 7. We have a 2 here. 7, 5. 8 and a 6. Okay. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and a 5. Oh, this should be 5. Need a 2 here. 2 and a 5. No. Could be 2, could be the 2 here. 8 and 5. This should be the 5, this should be the 8. 8, 8, need the 8 here. 2 numbers left, 6 and the 4, I believe. Here can be a 4. This should be the 4, this should be the 6 and the 9. 1 and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 3, 3, need a 3 here. No 5. No 5. Double 5 cannot be here, so 5 and 8. 6. 6 and the 4, 6 and the 5. No. So 6 and the 4 should be here. 5, 8, 7, 5, 8. Okay. So need a 1 here. Here can be 1, here can be 1. This should be the 1. And the 6. Need a 2, 2. Could be 2, could be 2 here. 2 and a 9. 2, 9, and I need a 3 here. 3 and 8. No. This should be the 3. 2 and a 9. 3 and the 8. This should be the 2. So here should be 14. 14, I cannot place the 7. 7 should be here. And a 1. 14, 8 and a 6, or 9 and a 5. We have a 5 here. 5 and a 9. 9 and a 6. 2 and a 3. We have a 3. 3, 2. 1, 2, 3 and a 4. We have a 3, 4, 7, 8, 8. This should be 8. So we need a 7 here. I need a 7. 7, 7. No, no. 7 and a 4. Here, 2 numbers left. 8. So 9 and a 5. 1 and a 6. Need a 1 here. 1 and a 5. 1 number left should be the 9 and a 2. 3 and a 7. 7 and a 5. Nope, no 7 here. 3 and a 7. 8 and a 4. 8 and a 4. 8 and a 4. 8 and a 4. 8 here. 8 and a 5. 5 and a 1. Yeah. 1 and a 9. 9 and a 2. 2 and a 3. 7 and a 6. 7 and a 6. 6 and a 4. Finished. 8 minutes. Well, minus 1. 7 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudokus. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.